and blessings, beautiful people. My name is Abril, your resident herbalist, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty, Herbs, and Tea, where we talk about all things tea, herbs, and resources to help you start your herbal business right now. So right now, I know it looks a little different in here. Well, the whole place looks different. That's because I am in my herb office, y'all. I am at a new location. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we moved on up and we got us an office space. Finally, I outgrew my kitchen space. So in today's video, I am going to try to vlog. We're going to try this again, you know. I'm trying to get more used to this whole vlogging thing. Okay, let me give y'all the grand tour. I mean, it's really not that big. I'm being dramatic. It's like 100 square feet. But over here, this is leaving. Over here, I want to have wall-to-wall shelving to house my product and my inventory and my wholesale inventory. And then over here, I plan on doing the same. So wall-to-wall shelving to house all of my wholesale inventory. I'm gonna get a smaller desk because I don't need a desk that big. I do want a desk just to like pack orders. Maybe that'll go right here. Maybe I'll have that. We'll see.
1 hour later.
So this is my storage unit. I ended up getting a storage unit because I realized I had more herbs than I had actual food in my kitchen, and it became too much. So I had to get a storage unit. This one is about $250 a month, but it's way better than actually having it at my place. It's already half moved right now, and this is my friend Eddie is helping me move.
1 eternity later.
Peace and blessings, beautiful people. I am vlogging today. Well, we're gonna try to vlog, okay? Where the sun at? Okay, the sun. We are going to try to vlog. Y'all probably can't hear me because of this face mask. I might have to put closed captioning on the screen, but yes, we are trying to vlog today, or we are attempting to vlog. We are at my office space, y'all. I have officially got an office. We are moving on up. We're moving on up to the east side. So this behind me is my building. It is my office space building. So that's what you all see behind me. So let me turn the camera around and show y'all the actual office space. Can y'all hear me? I feel like these face masks are so, they muffle everything. I gotta like scream. But let me try yelling. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you all can see my office space building and where Beauty, Herbs, and Tea now resides. Okay, so this is the building. See if I can get a better view. We are downtown Los Angeles right now, so just give me y'all a panorama of downtown. You really can't see the building. I mean, you really can't. So I am leaving Whole Foods right now, and I ran into this local vendor. Now y'all know I love supporting small businesses, and so he has some stones that I think I'm going to buy. I'm eyeing that rose quartz right there because I actually have on rose quartz earrings, and I needed some. So this is great, and this is the the owner of the business. What's your name? What do you do? Where can they find you?
Peter. I'm here by Whole Food, 8th and Grand. Yeah.
Yes, 8th and Grand in LA. Are you here every day?
Monday through Friday. Yes. Okay. Mostly evenings though.
Mostly evenings.
Sometimes you'll be surprised I'm here very early, but mostly evenings.
Do you have any social media?
Instagram, yeah, Julio Checha Bach. I know it's a long one.
Julio, yes, write that down for me and I will make sure to put it on the screen where to actually find you. But look at some of his pieces. So I am getting that rose quartz pendant and necklace. It's like $10, which is a great deal actually. I think it's lovely. And here are these rings right here?
Yeah, let me show you my rings. So these are not traditional. These are adjustables. They go like this, and then you play with it.
Oh, I love it. I'm not much of a ring person, but
I bet I can find one for you. That's
I don't wear them at all.
So these are my rings. They're all adjustable, and you can. I believe every single finger needs to be a customized ring. Yeah. So. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I don't wear rings, or else I would buy them, but I would not wear them. But I do want the rose quartz. And
can I say something about my pieces?
Sure, go ahead.
So you all know that crystal got meanings, properties, and
100%.
Healing,
yes,
right?
We're woke over here on this channel.
So also my pieces, they have, because I like stories. So every crystal that not every, but some, like this one, has a different meaning. I'm trying to express what I feel through the wire wrapping. Like this is it's a tree, but it's like 2 trees, and the stone is malachite. Malachite comes from Africa. So this is I gotta, you check my Instagram, you say what I wrote about it, but it's pretty much like, even though we look different and we seem far apart, we always gonna be one big root or a big tree created by God.
Oh, I love it.
So,
I am back, y'all. I'm back from shopping. So that's the kind of joy of working downtown LA, is that I'm surrounded by shopping areas and shopping malls. So we stopped at Target, at a little Target. I actually got this little cute, is it a poncho? What is this? I don't know, a cape. Yeah, I got this cute cape because I forgot to bring a jacket. You all saw me get this beautiful rose quartz from Peter. Again, I will leave his information on the screen. I also got some soap from Whole Foods. The local Whole Foods out here actually carries soap from local small businesses. So this actually came from a local maker. I do not have their information. If I can find it, oh, it smells so good. Y'all, it smells so good. I love, whoever makes this, I love this stuff. Like this one in particular, it is a chamomile and calendula soap, and I swear I smell edible when I get out the shower. I smell edible. I want to smell good, okay? A lot of soaps, they don't carry a scent. I love me soaps that carry a scent. So I got these. I love these. I will try to put the local small business owner information on the screen if I can find it. If not, I'll put it in the description box. So I got these from Whole Foods. I also got some random stuff from my office. I got like hand sanitizer. I got hand sanitizer and wipes because we're trying to be safe, okay? I also got, what did I get? I got some of these little rack things, these wire racks. When I get my actual shelving, storage shelving, let me put this down. When I get my actual like storage shelving, I plan on having all my products in these little wire racks, and I want to be able to put these on the actual shelves. And so Target has these things super cheap for like $8. So I picked those up at Target. I also bought some clothes. I stopped at Zara and I got a dress from Zara. Do y'all want to see it? Look, I'm not a fashion blog channel or any of that, but I mean, why not? Why not? Why not?
A few moments later.
You know, I can't wait to decorate it. I want to have like herbs behind me. I can't wait to decorate my office and have it set up like my home office. I'm excited. Once I decorate it, I will show y'all the finished product. But right now, like I said, it is bare. It's very bare, and yeah, it's like a cubicle, but it's spacious. It's spacious. So the great thing with this office space is that it does come with furniture, so you can order your own furniture. I've ordered like 7 file cabinets and 7 storage shelves, and I'm going to put those like up around everywhere. I'm gonna have them around the wall, and then behind me, that is going to house all of my inventory. That's going to pretty much house all my tea, all my tea and herbs and everything. So I will be able to ship out herbs from here. This is going to be the home base. Somebody asked me before, where do I make my teas from? I actually make my teas out of a commercial kitchen because I am too big for a cottage food business. So I do use a local commercial kitchen here in Los Angeles, California to make my teas, and pretty much I ship everything out, or I will be shipping everything out from here. So you all got a little taste today. We did a little vlogging. Look, I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to get better at vlogging. I am still in the office. I had 2 over the phone consults scheduled today. Actually, I think I had 3, and 2 of those actually canceled, which was annoying. Those were my free discovery calls. So I've been trying something where I will offer like free 15-minute discovery calls. I have found in the past that that will help me close on people who are kind of hesitant to pay my consultation price. So I do charge a couple $100s for my actual consultation because I'm worth it, and because I know my knowledge and I know my stuff and I know how to make some tea, okay? And I have no idea when it comes to the wellness space. For some reason, people don't want to pay money for wellness, and that boggles my mind because a lot of people will go and spend hundreds of dollars on shoes and clothes and bags, but when it comes to their actual health, they're like, I don't know, that's too much. And that literally, it really bothers me. Just because you want me to do everything that I do and to help you with healing, and you want to pay like $20, $30, like, make it make sense. It really don't. Like, I understand not having the funds to pay. I understand that there are those people who genuinely cannot afford quality wellness healthcare. I am not speaking to those people. I am speaking to those who can afford quality wellness care, who will spend the money. They just won't spend it on themselves, on wellness. They'll spend it on other things. So yeah, so that's my little rant. If you do consultations, if you are a herbalist, let me know below how it is for you to get wellness clients. Do you get them very easily? Again, I don't have a problem getting wellness clients. However, I do have those people who don't want to pay for a wellness service. They want to get it for practically free, and they want me to spend my time developing tea blends and researching information and making sure they have a wellness blend that is safe for them to take, and they only want to pay like $20-$30. Like, all in all, I had 2 actual consults today. I had 4 scheduled, and you saw me go out and I did a little shopping. And I love supporting small businesses. If I can shop at a small business, I will do that before spending my money at these, you know, super big retailers. So if you have a small business, feel free to send me actual products. A few of you have already sent me products, and I will shout you all out on my channel. I plan on doing that in the future. So if you have a small business, send me your product and I will shout you out. I believe in supporting small businesses no matter who you are. Y'all, it's like super late right now. It's super late. I am going to be in the office for about 4 more hours. We'll see. About 4 more hours. I have some work to do. I have to send a few emails to some clients. So yes, that is my day. I'll be back here tomorrow for the rest of my day. I love this.